Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Miranti Nurfadilah with number name 23018109. So, it is my final project of Introduction to Sociolinguistics from my lecturer, Miss Hermi Zaswita, MPD. So here I will explain about language and society. So, what is sociolinguistic? Sociolinguistic is a branch of linguistics that studies language as a social phenomenon, not only as a system of grammar. Language in real use, it examines how people actually speak and choose language forms in daily communication. Key concept in sociolinguistics. The first one is language variations, and the second is language change, and the last is language and identity. So, what is language variation? Language variation refers to differences in pronunciation, vocabulary, and style among speakers. Why variation happens? These differences exist because speakers come from different social, cultural, and geographical backgrounds. And the next is types of language variation. The first one is regional variation. Regional variation is language differs across geographical areas, creating different accent or dialect. And the second is ethnic variation. Ethnic background influences speaking style, word choice, and communication patterns. And the next is social class variation. Language use is influenced by education level and socio-economic status. And the last is situational variation. Speakers change their language depending on the formality of the situation and the listener. So, example of language variation. The first one, regional example. Troop in American English and lorry in British English show vocabulary differences between region. And the second is social class example. Formal expressions are commonly used in academic or professional contexts, while informal expressions are used in casual conversations. And the last is situational example. Language used in the classroom is more formal compared to language used when talking with friends. It's different, right? Okay, the next is language change. The first one is social change. As societies change, language also changes to reflect new ideas and lifestyle. And the next is migration. When people move and interact with other language communities, language influences each other. And the next is language and technology. Digital communication. Technology affects how people communicate, especially through social media and messaging apps. And the next is new language forms. Abbreviations, slang, and informal writing style are commonly used in online communication. Next is language and identity. Personal identity. The way people speak reflect their personal background and experience. And group identity. Language also shows belonging to a certain social cultural group. Okay, the next is sociolinguistics in education. Language diversity. Students come from diverse linguistic backgrounds and use different language varieties. Educational importance. Understanding sociolinguistics helps teachers respect language differences and teach more fairly. And in the conclusion, language and society are closely connected. Language varies depending on social context, and sociolinguistics helps us understand and respect these differences. By studying sociolinguistics, we can use language more appropriately and effectively in society. Okay, maybe that's all from my explanation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.